Now that we've installed WooCommerce, it's time to take a closer look at what we can do with this awesome plugin. Down here in the back end, you will find the WooCommerce tab. And when you hover over that, you will see all these additional sub-tabs opening up. The very first one is orders. And if I click on that, this is basically where you can view all the orders that have been made on your store. We have coupons, and this is where you can add coupons so that your potential clients or customers can use them. When you click on add a new coupon, you'll find this page where you can add the code, add a description for the coupon. You can offer a discount type, so you either have a cart discount or a product discount. So as an example, you could offer discounts for, let's say, shirts, whatever shirt that you buy, or you can offer a discount on the entire entire cart that a customer is trying to buy. Say 20% off everything that you want to purchase on your shopping cart, and so on and so forth. You could offer different kinds of discounts. You have the coupon amount, you can allow free shipping, you have the coupon expiry date, you have usage restriction, usage limits as well, and so on and so forth. We will be building and creating coupons later on in the course, so we will visit this page again. You have reports where you can keep track of how much you've made, how much you've sold, your gross sales, your net sales, orders placed, refunded orders, how much you've charged for shipping, how much has been spent with coupons. You can do that by a specific time period, whether the last 7 days, this month, last month, by year. You have sales by product, sales by category, coupons by date. And you can export all this information as well to your Excel if you wanted to. You have your customers as well, where you can keep track of new signups that you've made over a period of time. We have customer sales, we have guest sales as well. The difference here being customer sales would be those who have already provided an account, who have an account with you. Guest sales would be customers who prefer not to sign up by providing their email address. So that will be under guest sales. We have stock as well, where you can keep track of your products that are low in stock, those that are out of stock, or those that are most stocked. So reports is probably one of the more important tabs which you're going to be working with throughout the duration of your online store. Now we do have settings, and we are going to talk about all these tabs in the next few videos because these are extremely important. So I will skip settings for now. On the system status, the information you would typically find under your system status would be very useful in terms of troubleshooting, because this page provides you information about your web server, your website, and about the particular WooCommerce plugin that you're using. As an example, we have the WordPress version here, which is 4.6.1. WordPress memory limit 768 megabytes. We have the server environment. We're using an Apache server. We have the PHP version, MySQL version. Basically, if you're having issues with WooCommerce and you wanted to contact their support team or their technical team, they may ask you for certain kinds of information, and this is typically where you would find that sort of information. We also have the database as well, and down here you might find this error message that says MaxMind GeoIP database does not exist. Basically, the GeoIP database is basically used to geolocate customers, so you can find out where customers are making their orders from. We will take a look at how we can solve this particular issue in a much later class, because we don't need this for now, so let's just ignore that. And down here, of course, your settings, your taxonomies, theme, and some other information. Anyway, down here under extensions is where, as I told you earlier, you can install add-ons to your WooCommerce plugin to make it even more powerful, add more functionality. And we have the featured plugins over here for subscriptions, for bookings, memberships, and so on and so forth. If you come all the way down here to free, this is where we can install additional add-ons that are free, from Stripe to Amazon Payments to PayPal, and so on and so forth. So we will be installing a few of these add-ons as we progress in the course. So that's it for the general overview of the WooCommerce plugin. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next class.